super excited because I just got a last minute travel advisor complimentary upgrade for the last 2 nights of my stay. So let me go ahead and show you guys my new room. Alright, so as you enter, there's a closet area here. Let me just show you guys how it looks. There's a safe, some storage drawers, an umbrella. Then we have a little coffee table area. We have a fridge, storage space. And then we have another closet area right here. All right, so it's 2 closets, like I like more space. And over this section is the bathroom. So in this bathroom, there is a tub and privileged amenities. It also has a shower. But this is a single shower. I'm super excited about this room because this is the exact room I wanted upon staying here, and I don't even understand how I got it until now. But God works in mysterious ways. So this is the bathroom. All right. And we have a full body mirror on both sides, and we have a little space right here for luggage, television, more storage cabinets. We have a little office space here. We have sofa bed, and that's the bed, king size bed with the usual privilege towels and bathrobes and bed slippers. We also have a little balcony area. So this is our new view, which is pretty similar to what we had before. And now for the best part about this entire suite. Guys, I'm so excited. So this is actually a rooftop suite. So we're gonna go upstairs to the rooftop and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Guys, I absolutely love being a travel advisor. The perks and the courtesies of the industry, unmatched. So here we have a little powder room, very spacious. And now for the rooftop. So here we have a tub that holds 4. And we have, a sitting area. Beautiful. So there's a lot of space up here to just chill, relax, enjoy time with friends. This room sleeps 4. And of course we have the gorgeous view. I'm super excited. It's kind of raining right now and it's getting dark, but I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what tomorrow brings. And I absolutely love this suite.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. caught up in a daydream. I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be.